for something quick and simple to do. It's time. I cleaned this up a couple of years ago. Right, and I stuffed all them in there, and they worked fine off solar power for a while anyway. They weren't the best ones. So I'm going to take them out. Fix the new ones in. Use a couple of cable ties. They're very flexible. You can pick that with your finger. And that bit you've bent, you'll end up breaking off anyway, so it doesn't matter. Right, can we get one more? I don't think we need to. Excellent. Let's cut them off then. One there. And one there. Amazing, isn't it? All the cutters I got. And I use a pair of wire strippers. Shall we see how that works? It might just be shit. Looks good enough to me. Try a different couple of functions, see if we can get one that looks like a flickering candle. And here it is from 2 yards away, outside, hanging on the outside of the workshop. Slowly moving closer. It serves a purpose. Okay, that's all for today. Nice quick one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.